Hello. Pledge is a way to show your love and respect to your nation. So I would like to call Sunny for pledge. All of you take your pledge position. India is my country. All Indians are my brother and sister. I love my country. I am proud of it. Rich and very heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, all elders, respect, teach everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge motivation, India's well-being, prosperity alone, lies my happiness. Jai Hind. Let us know what's happening in our country. So I would like to call Tanpreet for national news. Good afternoon everyone. Today's national news is at Indian Science Congress. Prime Minister Modi emphasizes the importance of science in India's future development. Thank you. We should also know what is happening across the world. So I would like to call Ritika for international news.
Good afternoon everyone. Today's international news is Ukrainian President Zelensky brought to PM Modi sought humanitarian aid from India. Thank you.
Now here comes Athar for sports news. Good afternoon everyone. Today's
sports news is Rajasthan Royals beat Chennai Super Kings by 3 runs. Thank you.
Now to know what's happening in our school, so I would like to call Ayushman.
Good afternoon everyone. Today is in campus news headlines is class. Inter-school is preparing a crescendo. Thank you and have a nice day.
We should also know what regressive and progressive thinking are happening in the world, so I would like to call Samiksha for regressive and progressive news.
Good afternoon all of you. Today's progressive and regressive news are India-France progress on India-EU trade pact. Piyush Goyal also said India is looking to buy 2,000 commercial aircrafts in the next 10 years. There is a huge opportunity to make commercial aircraft in India to meet domestic and international demand. Regressive news. CBSE dropped misogynistic passage after facing flag will give full marks to all. Thank you.
I would like to call Ara for weather news.
Good afternoon all of you. Today weather forecast is 30 degrees Celsius. Thank you.
Now for Eureka Corner, I would like to call Sanskar.
Good afternoon everyone. My name is Sanskar and today's Eureka Corner is Hyderabad Page Skyroot Aerospace launched India's first private space mission with Prarambh in a partnership with ISRO. Thank you.
To increase our general knowledge, I would like to call Vedant for GK questions.
Good morning everyone. I am Vedas Toma from class 7. Today I have some GK questions. What is the full form of IAS?
Indian Administrative Services.
Right answer. What is the full form of IPS? What is the full form of DM? Right answer.
You don't give the answer.
What is the full form of DGP? I repeat my question. What is the full form of DGP?
अरे
DGP.
बीजेपी नहीं है बीजेपी अरे बीजेपी
Answer is Director General of Police. Fifth question. What is the full form of ACP?
Assistant Commissioner of Police.
Right answer. Thank you. Have a nice day.
We all know that today is on 13th of April, there is a Jallianwala Bagh massacre what happened. So with the student of class 7 is going to present a skit on that.